Hey guys, Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, we're going to review my Creality CR-10 4 years after I bought it. Let's check it out. Hey guys, so I bought this Creality CR-10 a few years back. This is the second printer I've ever owned, and this is one of the early Creality CR-10s. It just has the single Z-axis instead of the common two, which are now found on almost all of Creality's products. My Creality CR-10 has been a great experience to own. Its large print volume with relatively low cost has been a dream for someone getting into 3D printing. With the build volume of this 3D printer being 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, I've had little to no issue printing prints of all kinds of sizes. I have changed some things on this 3D printer from its factory settings, including a full metal extruder and a new hot end. But really that's about it. I haven't had to change anything major on this 3D printer, and it's been a workhorse for almost 4 years. Everything you've seen in one of my videos has been printed on my Creality CR-10 printer. I've printed larger things like Stormbreaker, which is Thor's axe from the Avengers movies, as well as some smaller models, including some lightsabers, a wand, even smaller models than that. I've also used a variety of PLA filaments on my Creality CR-10, and the Creality CR-10 has done great with all of them. Mostly I use Ziltech PLA filament, but recently I've tried some Hashbox PLA as well as some Protopasta filament as well. I have not printed anything besides PLA on my Creality CR-10. I know some people have printed some ABS, but they've had to build enclosures and jack the heat up on the printer, which I didn't really feel comfortable doing. Overall, my Creality CR-10 was a great purchase. Its large build volume and not crazy price point really took me to the next level of 3D printing. In the future, I'm definitely going to buy another printer from Creality. I'm really curious to see what changes they've made over the years to the 3D printers, since I have one of the early models of the Creality CR-10. Overall, I would definitely recommend buying a Creality CR-10 or another printer from Creality. They're really great printers and great for getting into 3D printing as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.
Survive.